Hey y'all, and welcome out here to Kallison Ranch. My name is Brock.Bremmer and I'm your San Antonio realtor. If you're brand new to the channel, thank you so much for checking out this video today. I really greatly appreciate your time. If you could go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so you'll be notified anytime that I post a video in the future, that would greatly help me out and keep you in the loop anytime that I post a video. So behind me here is one of the model homes for Perry Homes out in Kallison Ranch. This is on the far west side of San Antonio. This neighborhood is located in the Northside Independent School District, so great schools close by. There's actually, the elementary school is here on site in the neighborhood. In addition to that, this neighborhood is located within a short drive of lots of shopping, food, and entertainment just down the road. So you're not very far from anything, but you're close to everything at the same time. So that's really great for you and your family to enjoy the local area. In addition, there's also a resort-style pool and amenity center here for you and your family to enjoy. So no lack of anything for you and your family to enjoy. So if you have any questions, please drop them along the way. I would be glad to answer any questions you have, but let's go check out this incredible home. All right, and welcome to the design 2504W by Perry Homes. This single-story home has 2,504 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and an office. Enjoy the tour. Thank you so much for checking out this model home tour with me. I hope you enjoyed it, but I'd love to hear in the comment section below what your thoughts and opinions are, or let me know if you have any questions. I'll be responding to all of your comments and any questions that you have as soon as possible, so feel free to drop anything down below. If you are looking to make a move to San Antonio or somewhere within San Antonio, please reach out. I'm your San Antonio realtor, and I'm here to be of service to you and help guide you through that process. So reach out whenever you're ready. My contact information is down below, and I'll link it here on the screen as well. If you are also looking to sell your home in order to purchase another home, let me know. I can help you out and guide you through that process as well, and make it as smooth and as simple as possible. If you haven't already, please go ahead and give me one of these thumbs up and like the video so that I know that you enjoy this type of video content. It helps motivate me to keep producing the videos for you so you can see all of the homes in and around San Antonio and the surrounding areas. So please smash that like button. And if you haven't already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime that I post a video in the future. I look forward to talking to you soon, and I'll see you in the next video.